So we have discussed in the previous video how to go about Medline searching. What if I didn't find enough results? How would I broaden my search sensitivity? These are some tips, which was using synonyms, using multiple terms, removing the focus, removing the subheadings, selecting the broader mesh to explode, ordering the mesh with relevant meshes, or conducting searching for keyword searching. To reiterate on that, so if I have selected already the meshes that I wanted and I have exploded them, how would I go about increasing the search strategy for number 11? Number 1, I would remove the focus if I have focused, which is moving from 14 to 11 to 15. If I have selected subheadings, I would remove the subheadings. This is number 2. If I did that and I still didn't get so much results, what would I do? This is step number 2. So I would be removing all the features that would decrease the search for me by removing the focus or removing the subheadings. Having done that and I didn't receive more results, what would I do? A hint. I would go into the broader mesh. So instead of selecting Layal, I would select the father. Instead of selecting Leia, I would select the father. The terminology. Here, I'd be selecting nutrition and metabolic diseases rather than nutrition disorders. I would be broadening the mesh. Even though 0 results are here, remember you're exploding. So even though no articles are talking about this mesh in particular, but you're exploding, which is you're including metabolic diseases and any of the narrower meshes, even if you have the plus, it is included. Everything underneath the infant nutrition disorders is included without you seeing it. So you're ordering all the narrower meshes. Having done that and I didn't get enough results, what would I do? I already have exploded nutrition disorders, so this is no option for you here. I can come to the eye of nutrition disorders and see other relevant meshes, like feeding behavior. So I might OR this mesh with another relevant meshes. Having done that also, and I didn't find enough results, what would be the answer now? What do you think? It would be, if I go back to the dates, to check whether I have selected the larger set of dates or not. Maybe by mistake I have selected the database with the least coverage of date. If I did that by mistake, I would come here and change. Remember, the first one gives me the broader date range. Having done that and I still didn't get enough results, what would I do? Remember, we talked about the mesh databases having the option for you to search mesh searching and keyword searching made less done by the techniques that we have learned previously, which are the truncation, adjacency, and the field searching. So we'll be applying the keyword searching now. How to go about that? Let's do it for the nutrition disorder concept. So first of all, ADJ, for it to be understood as ADJ, I will have to bracketize it or put it between brackets. So now I'll type in nutrition star ADJ3 disorder question mark, which means nutrition disorder or nutrition disorders, nutritional disorder or nutritional disorders, nutritional and feeding disorder, nutritional and feeding disorders, nutrition feeding disorder, nutrition feeding disorders. All of these phrases are done simply by doing this. Maximum of 2 words coming between nutrition and disorder interchangeably. Nutrition can come the last word and disorder can come the first word. This accounts for 0 or 1 character. Or I would be indulging into synonyms of this concept. Bulimia or bulimic or anorexia or anorexia. nutritional, or undernutrition, or undernutritional, or overnutrition, or overnutritional. How about if they are come written over space or over dash nutrition? So I can go about it by math ADJ nutrition. Nutrition star or under ADJ nutrition. Now ADJ without any digit next to it resembles a space or a dash with the first word coming first and the second word coming second. There is no interchangeability. Or over ADJ nutrition. Now how can I fix this also? These all have nutrition in common, the over, under, or man. So instead of these three brackets, I can do it as follows. Or, I open two brackets, man or under, or over, close one bracket, ADJ, nutrition, star, close bracket. It's like math. This encounters for all of these three brackets. In this way, I would have done truncation and adjacency. But I don't want to have nutrition disorder department. I don't want this noise. So I want to select only these keywords to appear for me in the title, abstract, and the subject headings. So I will close the brackets and open the brackets again from the very beginning. .ti, which is the title of the article, abstract, subject heading. So I'll be looking for these keywords here. So now, after I have done the search using the keywords for this concept, what would I do now? I would OR the concept as a mesh with its keywords. So I would go exploding the nutrition disorders as a mesh with the keywords, and as much keywords as I indulge, the more results I would get. I have here 420,000 something, and I have here 349,000 something, because definitely I have missed some meshes here. So how would I combine them? Using an OR. And now I will end this concept, which is a mesh of nutrition disorders, ORed with the keywords of nutrition disorders with the Arab countries. Let's see how much should we be getting. We're supposed to have more than 474 results. So there we go. This is limited to the age group. When it was not limited, it was 2,690. So we definitely increased almost 500 results. Doing this also, indulging into keywords after only focusing on the mesh searching technique and removing the focus, removing the subheadings, broadening the mesh, ORing with the relevant meshes, decreasing the dates, all of this, and then going through the keyword searching when there is no resort in the mesh searching anymore, and doing the less dumb techniques for me to OR the keyword subsets with the mesh subset of the concept. Doing this and not getting relevant results, what would I do then? One last resort, which is called the snowballing.
So if I find this article relevant, I would copy it and I would go to Scopus, for example, which you can find under the frequently used databases, under the list of the databases, or under tools for physicians. This is one of the citation analysis tools that AUB purchases for its users. And it shows me or it analyzes for me the articles or the journals or the authors, H index, how much he or she is being cited, self-cited, his articles, how much are they being cited, so on and so forth. So I simply copy the title and I come and paste it here. Snowballing means seeing who has cited this article in return. So one has cited this article, it must be more or less relevant to it. And I can click into it and I can see furthermore who has been citing it again and again. Additionally, I can look into the references of the article itself by clicking on the article or the document title and scrolling down, if applicable, to the references, to its references. So can you see here, funding agencies? These are the references of the particular article. So that is the snowballing effect. These are practically the techniques for me to broaden the search, to increase the number of the results that I get. If I'm not satisfied with the number of the relevant mesh searching,